the cycle of seasons, ranging from spring to winter, is a wondrous natural rhythm. As humans, we are an inseparable part of nature, and we have a profound connection with the natural world. How can we adopt appropriate health measures, according to the changing seasons, to maintain good health, prevent illnesses, and delay aging? Over 2,000 years ago, the Yellow Emperor's inner Canon provided a wise guide for seasonal health maintenance. Nurture growth in summer, cultivate harvest in autumn, preserve and store in winter, and promote vitality in spring. Today, let's explore the health rhythm of spring together. In The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, the Emperor says,
"The spring is a season of growth and vitality, where all things begin to flourish. To adapt to this season and promote your physical and mental health, you need to follow certain principles. It's essential to sleep and wake up early, take walks outdoors, and keep a relaxed state of mind. Additionally, it's crucial to allow things to grow naturally without forcing or depriving them. If we don't follow these principles, we can damage our livers and cause health problems in the summer season."
Spring is a season of vitality, and it is known as Faqian in Chinese, meaning that old things become fresh and full of life. During the 3 months of spring, the vitality and energy of the earth and sky gradually awaken. The yang energy of spring, like the sun, rises upward, enhancing our immune system and making our body healthier. Therefore, it is important to take care of ourselves during spring to avoid old illnesses from recurring, such as migraines, asthma, pharyngitis, and hypertension. The key to spring health is sleeping and waking up early. In the morning, when plants release oxygen, it is the best time for aerobic exercise. So, it's advisable to take a walk in the yard or forest and enjoy the vibrancy of spring. In the evening, it's important to stay indoors and avoid outdoor exercise to prevent wasting yang energy. Before going to bed, it's recommended to meditate or practice deep breathing to relax the liver and gallbladder. It's also essential to keep your hair loose and let it grow naturally to nourish the scalp and prevent headaches. Moreover, wearing loose clothes, doing gentle exercises, and keeping warm are essential to maintain a healthy liver and avoid catching the spring wind. In spring, everything comes to life, and it's essential to develop a positive and optimistic mindset to cultivate vitality and promote growth. We should take care of the plants and not pick them indiscriminately, but rather nourish and protect them so that they can bear fruit in the fall. We should also avoid killing or harming living beings and not undermine their confidence and hope. By giving encouragement and support, we can create a harmonious environment and prevent the stagnation of liver qi. Therefore, it's essential to adopt the principles of reward without punishment and appreciate without taking away to promote a healthy and happy life. In spring, we need to pay special attention to nourishing our liver. As the liver belongs to the wood element in the 5 elements theory, and spring is also associated with the liver, the smooth flow of liver qi is essential for our overall health during this season. To achieve the best results for our health in spring, we need to take care of our liver and prevent liver qi stagnation. When it comes to diet in spring, we should follow the principle of nourishing yang and consume foods that can replenish yang. Sour foods tend to have a contracting effect and are not suitable for spring's life-giving characteristics. Instead, we should eat more foods with pungent and sweet flavors to nourish our yang qi. In-season vegetables such as leeks, onions, garlic, celery, kale, and spinach, especially sprouted vegetables such as bean sprouts and asparagus, are ideal choices for replenishing yang. Additionally, foods such as jujubes, coriander, peanuts, and fermented black beans can also have beneficial effects. It's important to eat less sticky, cold, and fatty foods in spring to avoid damaging the spleen and stomach functions. Drinking natural flower and herbal teas is also recommended in spring, especially those containing chrysanthemum, cassia seed, goji berries, and mulberries. These teas have the ability to clear the liver, nourish yin, improve vision, lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and promote beauty and anti-aging effects. They are high in antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, support eye health, aid in brain function, and reduce inflammation. Spring is a time for growth and renewal, and we can harness its energy to boost our physical and mental health. By adopting healthy habits such as early rising, outdoor exercise, and a relaxed state of mind, along with cultivating positive emotions, we can prevent diseases and harmonize with nature. Nourishing our liver with the right foods and following a healthy diet that replenishes yang can also contribute to our overall wellness. Even small changes in our daily routine can make a big difference. So let's embrace the energy of spring and cultivate a greater sense of harmony with the natural world. I hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the beauty of nature and life. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into traditional Chinese medicine and natural health. I release new videos every week. If you have questions about Chinese medicine or health, please leave a comment.